Hello guys, I'm Watson, one of the counselors from the MBBSCouncil guidance team. Here I would like to share some important things that you should take care of with Karnataka State Counseling. Before that, if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel now and press the bell icon to get notified instantly. Let me start with registration. If you see All India Quota, there is a fresh registration for each and every round. So if you miss any round, you can participate in upcoming rounds. Whereas in Karnataka State Counseling, if you don't register for the first round, you cannot participate in further rounds of the counseling. When I say further rounds, you don't think it is more than 5 or 6 like Kerala or Andhra. It is just 3 rounds of counseling. When the first 2 rounds of the counseling are conducted online, and the third round, which is called mop-up round, is conducted offline. Since there is no fresh registration for the second round, so there will be no fresh choice filling can be done. So we have to make sure that we have to enter all possibilities to secure admission in the first round itself. As I said before, the mop-up round counseling, which is being conducted offline, so there will be no upgradation allowed from second round to third round. Do you know 4,000 plus state quota seats were available for the first round of the counseling last year? For the second round, can you guess how many seats were left? It was only 500. Then for mop-up round, you may ask how many seats were left. Can you do a guess? It was only less than 20 seats. So you should prepare yourself for the first round of counseling itself. So before the counseling starts for Karnataka, you should be ready with your possibilities, like in which quota you may chance to get into. Because in Karnataka, if you have a very good score, you can study for Rs 60,000 per year or even for Rs 60 lakhs per year. Here we are discussing your possibilities. But using which factor we can predict our chances? It is the cutoff score or All India rank? We know that if you use them, it will give us a less accuracy. Then what is the other way? It is using your state rank and community rank. But in 2021, KEA didn't release the state rank list. Then how can you get the state rank and community rank? We will see the detail about how to get that in another video. Let's move on to the next one. Secondly, we have to make sure that the college which you have selected has a good patient flow and sufficient beds in the affiliated hospital. We should check these factors because they determine our clinical exposure. NMC National Medical Commission conducts annual inspections of medical colleges in India. They have a set of norms of running medical colleges. If they find any medical colleges that doesn't fulfill the norms, they just cancel their permission. There is a college in Karnataka which has been debarred for more than 4 years. So it's really important to exclude the colleges which have debarment history in the past. So far, we have seen the quota selection and college selection. Here comes the important thing, the order of preference. As we saw before, there is only one-time choice filling. So we must do homework and fill the college list for allotment. Here is where MBBSCouncil helps you. With the help of our app, you can know your possibilities, college choice filling list and other factors you should know before counseling. So I leave the app link below in the description box. You can install it using that one. So to make this process easier, we have made some premium subscriptions where you can have an expert counselor like me, where I will be suggesting and assisting you in the counseling process so that you can have a peace of mind. If you have any doubts regarding medical counseling, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number. I will clarify you. So catch you in part 2 of this video where we can discuss the nitty-gritties further for Karnataka and also for other states. Until then, you can watch our other videos where we have simplified the counseling process in detail. I leave a link for that also in the description box. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel because we will be posting all counseling related discussions, news and many more. So all the best. Thank you.